Smartphones with fingerprints can soon be a thing of the past, thanks to the new technology of the glass manufacturer Corning. Vendors of devices such as Apple and Samsung have been incorporating more and more glass in the designs of their phones in recent years. While the devices originally had glass just above the front touch screen, the designs now contain glass that curves around the edges of the phone and, sometimes, covers the entire back of the device. This year, about 28% of all phones sold, and almost 100% of expensive high-end phones, will have glass on the back of the Gorilla Glass device. We see glass in the back because the glass supports wireless charging and higher data speeds such as 5G, and metal is on the wrong side of the technological curve. But incorporating glass on the back of the devices has meant many more fingerprints and scratches. Corning says he has an alternative solution for all those spots. A technology was developed to engrave designs on its glass using a special inkjet printer, giving the glass a matte finish instead of a glossy one. While the process does not actually eliminate fingerprints, it does make them significantly less noticeable. And it also makes the phone less slippery and more grip.